The 76th MCQ. An adult is pacing about the unit and wringing his hand. He is breathing rapidly and complains of palpitation and nausea, and he has difficulty focusing on what the nurse is saying. He says that he is having a heart attack but refuses to rest. The nurse should interpret his level of anxiety as answer is option D, panic. 77th MCQ. Mother and her 3 weeks old infant arrive at the Well Baby Clinic for a risk screening test for the phenylketonuria. The nurse reviews the result of serum phenylalanine level and notes that the level is 1.0 mg per dl. The nurse interprets this level as answer is A, normal level. 78 MCQ. A labor is called normal if it fulfills the following criteria except the answer is C, modifying the nature of termination. 79th. Pale white vaginal discharge for the first fortnight during the puerperium is lochia alba. Next, a sentence with an underlined word is given below. Find out the opposite to the highlighted word from the given options. The city was annihilated by atomic bomb. Option A, created. 81. Nurse is teaching the client regarding use of the sodium warfarin, which statement made by the client would require the further teaching. Answer C, one take aspirin for a headache. Which activity is best suited to the 12 years old with the juvenile rheumatoid arthritis? Answer is B, swimming. The next MCQ. Planning is a category of nursing behavior in which answer is option C, patient oriented goals and expected outcome are established. 84th MCQ. A home health nurse is visiting a 15 years old with a sickle cell disease. Which information obtained on the visit would cause the most concern? The client liked to play baseball. Answer is option A. 85th MCQ. The nurse prepared to administer an enteral feeding to a client through a nasogastric tube. Which priority intervention for the nurse to complete before the administering the feeding? Answer is option A, determining the tube placement. The next 86th MCQ. A client delivered a 9-pound infant 2 days ago. An effective means of managing discomfort from an episiotomy is option C, sitz bath. 87th. A client is having the electroconvulsive therapy for the treatment of severe depression. Which of the following indicates that the client ECT has been effective? Answer is option D, the client has grand mal seizures. The next MCQ. A man is admitted to the intensive care unit with chest pain and abnormal ECG and elevated enzyme. When the significance of this is explained to him, he says, I can't be having a heart attack. No way, you must be mistaken. The nurse suspects the client is using which defense mechanism? The answer is option D, denial. The next 89th MCQ. The nurse is obtaining a history from client who was admitted to the hospital with a thrombotic brain attack. A nurse assesses the client, knowing that before the stroke occurred, the client most likely experienced. Answer is option C, transient hemiplegia and loss of speech. Which of the following statement about AIDS is true? Answer is T, none of the above. 91. The home health nurse is visiting a client with a Paget's disease. An important part of preventive care for the client with the Paget's disease is keeping the environment free from clutter. 92. For blood clotting, fibrinogen is changed into the fibrin with the help of option B, thrombin. The next MCQ. A nurse is caring for an infant with the laryngomalacia. Which position would the nurse place the infant in to decrease the incidence of stridor? The answer is option D, prone with the neck hyperextended. 95th. A 5 years old is a family contact to the client with the tuberculosis. Isoniazid has been prescribed for the client. The nurse is aware length of a time that the medication will be taken. Is answer A, 1 year. 96. Which of the following is a part of definition of learning? Answer is D, all of the above. 97. A client with advanced cirrhosis of liver is not tolerating the protein well and evidenced by abnormal laboratory values. Nurse anticipate that which of the following medication will be prescribed for the client. The answer is B. Lactulose. The next MCQ, the client is admitted with the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Blood gases reveal pH 7.36, CO2 45, O2 84, bicarb 28. Nurse would assess the client to be in answer C. Compensated respiratory acidosis. 99th, a client has had a laryngectomy for throat cancer and has started the oral intake. Nurse determined that the client has tolerated the first stage of dietary advancement if the client taken which of the following type of diet without aspirating or choking. The answer is D. Semi-solid food. Last MCQ, the immunoglobulin found in mother's milk is option B. IgA.